Okay, hello students. In this video we are going to learn about how to construct the Turing machine. So the given problem is obtain a Turing machine to accept the language L is equal to 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n such that n greater than or equal to 1. So n value can be greater than or equal to 1. So what is the first step? First step is first we need to identify what the language will generate. So the language will generate according to the given statement. The language will generate number of zeros followed by number of ones. So the language we are taking example as, so this L can generate 0, 4 zeros and 4 ones. This is just an example. So it can be any number of zeros or any number of ones. So we have taken as 4, we applied the value for n as 4. So we have got 4 zeros and 4 ones. So this language should be accepted by Turing machine. So we have to construct such machine. So what is the first step? Step is let Q0 be the start state. So here we are considering Q0 be the start state of TM, and the read write head points to the first symbol of the string to be scanned. So the given string is, this is the given string. So in the given string, the Q0 be the start state, and the read write head we are positioning in the first symbol of the string to be scanned. So here replace the leftmost 0. We are going to replace the leftmost 0 by x and change the state to Q1. After replacing the 0 into x, we have to change the state to Q1 and then move the read write head towards right. Move the read write head towards the right, because after a 0 is replaced, equivalent for this 0, there should be equal number of zeros, equal number of ones. So as soon as I replace 1 0, immediately I have to replace 1 1. Because of that, we have to move the read write head towards the right. Okay, so this is the concept. This one we have to repeat for a number of times. So first is search the leftmost one and replace it by a symbol y. So zeros you are replacing by x, and then after 0 the next one, that is a leftmost one. So this first 0 you have to find the leftmost one. So leftmost one have to be replaced by y. 0 should be replaced by x and 1 should be replaced by y. And then you have to change the by symbol y and move towards, again you have to change the state. After changing the state, you have to move towards the left. See now, for 1 0 you replaced 1 1. After replacing 1, again it's a turn to change 0. So you have to come back to left. After changing 0, again for the second 0, second 1 you have to replace. Again you have to move towards the right side and change this one. Again you have to come back to the left. So these two steps have to be repeatedly done to replace all the zeros and ones. So this is the algorithm. So now we are going to see the design procedure. So in the design procedure, first is in state Q0 replace 0 by x. So what's the first one? First step is, so we have the string like this. So in first string, 0 is the first symbol. So in that symbol, I am going to place the read write head and I am going to call the status Q0. Call the status Q0. So in Q0 state, the symbol 0 have to be replaced by x and change the state to Q1 and move the pointer towards right. The transition, so I am writing the transition tau Q0 comma 0. So Q0 is a state, and by accepting 0, so this is the Turing machine transition have to be written in this form. Q0, by accepting 0, it is moving to Q1 and replacing the 0 as x. After replacing, it is moving towards right. So that is the meaning of this transition. So 0 have to be replaced by x. After replacing, the read write head have to move towards right. So after changing this, so here we had 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. So the first 0 we replaced as x. After replacing, I am changing the state as q1 and I am moving towards the right. So 1, 1 symbol, by skipping 1, 1 symbol, it will move towards right. So now the pointer is pointing to the next symbol. So in state q1, find leftmost one. So after replacing the first 0 by x, now we have to find the leftmost one. So leftmost one is nothing but the first one. As soon as the 0 gets over, after that the first one, that is called the leftmost one. So that leftmost one should be replaced by y and change the state to q2 and change the state to q2. You have to change the state to q2 if you find any 0. So when you move, so 1 0 you have changed as x. For that 1 0, now 1, the next 1 have to be replaced. So when you are traveling towards right side, if you find any zeros or any y's if you find, those zeros and y should not be replaced. Only you have to find the leftmost one and then replace that one by y. Other symbol you should not replace. Okay. And then after replacing 1 as y, you have to change the state as q2. Okay. So that is what it is written here. So the transition q1 comma 0 is equal to, what I will do, so in q1 state, I am in q1 state. In q1 state, if you find 0 as the scanned symbol, you should not replace anything. You have to remain in the same symbol, but you have to move towards right. Again, you have to travel towards right. And another transition is in q1, if you find y also, q1 you should remain in the same state. You should not replace any symbol, but you have to move towards right. So that is what it's written here. But in q1 state, if you find 1, then you have to change the state as q2 and then you have to replace this 1 as y. After replace, what you have to do? After replacing, you have to come back left. That is what I told you. If you replace 0, after replacing, you have to move towards right. If you replace 1, you have to move towards left. So it's written. So 1 means you are changing the state to q2 and then you are replacing 1 as y and moving towards left. So the resulting configuration. So resulting configuration is what? First we changed that 0 as x. And then we changed the remaining zeros we are not touching. We are just scanning. It is 0, so I am not doing anything. This is 0, I am not doing anything. This is 0, I am not doing anything. Next I am coming, this is 1. So 1 means what I have to do? I have to replace it by y. 1 means I have to replace it by y. And then change the state as q2. And then travel towards left. So immediately the transition happened. It is traveling towards left. So left is 0 now. So it is pointing here. Okay. So the step 3. Step 3, the read-write head has to move towards left to obtain leftmost 0. Now what happened? Now first 0 you changed. So the next 0 is the leftmost 0. Now you have to search for the leftmost 0. So leftmost 0, how will you find? In order to identify the leftmost 0, identify rightmost x. So you have to find the rightmost x you have to find. So now my pointer is here. So this is 0 and then I will come here. This is 0. So I will not do anything. So this is 0. So now I am searching for the leftmost 0. So to find the leftmost 0, I have to find the rightmost x. So rightmost x is, this is the rightmost x. Okay. So this 0 now I will consider as a leftmost 0. So this 0 I will convert into x. I will change this, I will replace this symbol as x. So while we travel from this position, left position, we may come across with y and zeros. Do not change its value and remain in the same state as q1. So see now, sorry, change the state, remain the state in q2. So now transition q2 comma y in q2, and when the symbol is y, what you have to do, you should not do anything. So q2 comma y, and then you have to move towards left, and 0 also you should not do anything. So you are just moving. So the resulting configuration is, so when you move the pointer, so you will, when you are moving towards left, you are finding the rightmost x. So that is the search is going on. So in this search, you come across with zeros and y's. You should not replace 0 and y. Only have to search for rightmost x in the set, step 3. So now, to get the leftmost 0, now you find the rightmost x. So after finding the rightmost x, to get the leftmost 0, move the pointer to the right without changing the symbol x. So now without changing this x, move towards right. Okay, so you are moving the redirected to right. And then after that, you are changing the status q0. Now again you are going to repeat it. So you are changing the status q0. So, but change the state to q0, and then transition is, what is the transition? Transition q2 comma x. So what did we do? q0 comma x comma r, the current configuration. So you are changing as from q2 to q0. You change the status from q2 to q0. Okay, and then moving towards right. So repeat step 1 and step 4 to get the configuration shown below. Okay, so to get this configuration, we have to repeat all these steps. All these steps we have to repeat. Okay, so now, so finally you will get the configuration as this. So in state q0, if the scanned symbol is y, it means are no more zeros. To check there are no more ones, move the pointer towards right. Okay, so I'm searching in q0, I'm searching everywhere. So when I'm searching, there is no zeros. So if no zeros, I have to search for ones now. So ones also are not there, but only y's are there. It means there are no zeros and no ones. So what you have to do, still you have to search in the right hand side.